In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Slack. Bringing coworkers, partners, or clients into Slack is one of the easiest ways to keep communication organized in one place. Slack gives you a few different invitation options depending on what you need. You can invite people directly by email, share a secure sign-up link for larger groups, or use Slack Connect if you only want outside collaborators to access a specific shared channel instead of your full workspace. Before you begin, it's worth knowing that invitation permissions can vary. In many workspaces, members are allowed to invite people by default, but some organizations limit this to workspace owners or admins. So if you don't see the options I mentioned, your permissions may be restricted. To get started, open your Slack workspace in either the desktop app or your web browser. Then go to the top left corner of the sidebar and click your workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the option to invite people to the workspace. There's also a quicker path if you prefer. You can use the Add Teammates button at the bottom of the left sidebar. Once the invitation window opens, you can send direct email invites. In the To field, type the work email address of the person you want to add. If you're inviting several people at once, press enter after each address or separate them with commas. Slack will treat them as individual invitations. You may also see an edit option next to add to channels. This lets you choose default channels that new members will automatically join after they sign up, which can save time and help them get oriented faster. When everything looks right, click the green send button to deliver the invitations. If you're onboarding a larger team and don't want to type every email manually, Slack also lets you use a secure invite link. At the bottom of the invitation window, click copy invite link. You can then paste that link into onboarding materials, an internal site, or a calendar invite. Anyone with that link can use it to register and join the workspace. For better security, it's a good idea to set the link to expire after a certain number of days or after a limited number of uses if that option is available in your workspace settings. If you need to collaborate with external partners who already use Slack in their own organization, use Slack Connect instead. In the sidebar, click Add Channel or open an existing channel you want to share. Right-click the channel name, go to Channel Settings, then choose Slack Connect. Select Share Channel and send the invitation using an email address or the generated link. After the other side accepts,